What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and I've got another really awesome case for you. This one's made by Pitaka. It's the MagEZ Case 3 for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now Pitaka makes a lot of cases for a lot of other phones as well, so I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check out their website and everything that they have to offer. These cases are made of aramid fiber. They are super light and thin, but they're really strong. So if you want good protection for your phone while still maintaining the slimness of the phone, I would definitely take a look at Pitaka's cases. The other really cool thing about this case is it's MagSafe compatible. So if you have any of the iPhone MagSafe accessories, you can just easily use them with this case as well. So you don't have to go out and buy all new accessories. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's got a really cool box presentation that's magnetic. And here is the case itself. Very nice. Again, like I said, it is super thin and minimal, very light, and it is made of that aramid fiber that is really strong. As you can see, it's got a cool design on the back, feels really nice and smooth. Again, it's got that MagSafe technology already built into an already super thin case. It's very rigid and hard, so if something happens to hit the back of your phone or if you drop the phone on its back, it's definitely going to be protected. Very easily clips onto your phone, just like that. And again, you maintain pretty much all slimness of the phone that was there to begin with. It's kind of like a second skin for your phone. It looks super cool. So again, as it feels in your hand, it feels just like you're holding the phone with no case on it. On the sides here, we have our exposed power button and our volume rockers. As you can see, again, it doesn't add any bulk to the phone. It's got a little bit of edge protection here and a little bit of lip on the top and the bottom for your screen protection. On the bottom here, you can easily access your S Pen. Here's your speaker grill cutout and your charging port. On the back, it's got these perfect precision cutouts for all of your camera lenses. And as you can see, they are pretty much flush with the little bump that's on the back of the case. And if we look a little closer at the camera rings, it does seem to have this little metal bump that does surround your camera lenses, so that's pretty nice. And again, it's got that really cool aramid fiber feel. And it doesn't pick up fingerprints either, which is really nice. And if you're wondering about how it works with wireless charging, obviously there's not going to be any issues there because it's super thin. And if you happen to have a MagSafe accessory like I do here, I have this wireless charger, it'll simply just clip right onto the back of the phone just like that and start to charge your phone. Another really nice thing about having such a slim case is the fact that any place that you're going to be able to put your phone in the first place with this case on, it's still going to fit, such as if you have a charging port in your car, maybe you have a Tesla or something, and sometimes the phone will fit in there without a case, but when you put the case on, it just doesn't fit anymore. Well, that's not going to be the case, no pun intended, with this. It's going to fit just the same because it is so thin. And getting it in and out of your pocket is also going to be very easy because it is nice and smooth and there's nothing to catch on your pocket. And if you happen to have a screen protector on here, you also know it's going to work with this case as well. So your screen will then be protected and the back of your phone will be protected. You have protection on the top, the bottom, and some protection in the corners as well. So there are ways to protect your phone while maintaining a very slim case. So here I have the Pitaka case in my car. We're going to be attaching it to my car charger that is a MagSafe charger. And we're going to see how well it charges and sticks. So it is charging. It also seems to be sticking pretty well on the charger. And you can even rotate it in landscape mode if you need to for maps. So if you're looking for a minimal case that looks really nice and maintains the slimness of your phone, the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 is definitely a case I would take a look at, and I would definitely give this case a thumbs up. So that is it for Pitaka's MagEZ Case 3 for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. And also don't forget to check out Pitaka's website because they do make cases for a whole bunch of other different phones, and they also have some really cool accessories as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.